What's going on, guys? I'm going to show you how to make adjustments to your wristband here. This one is by Libra Gemini. I got a few of these on Amazon. What I want to do is basically take two links off of here and one link off of here. This is the Libra Gemini as well. I got all three colors here. But first thing is you get this tool right here, and don't make the mistake that I did with this one here, okay? I basically did it backwards and it took me like an hour to correct it. Anyways, if you look on here, we can see these arrows here, okay? You see the arrows on there? And you see the arrows on here, okay? So the arrows over here, it's pointing this way. So what we want to do is use this little gadget here and twist this in until that pin comes out this way, okay? And then once it goes out this way, we want to pull it out. And then once we relink it, we want to use the pin the same direction and go back in this way this time, okay? Not this way, okay? So let's go ahead and I'll go ahead and take a link off of here. Just go ahead and get this tool here and just twist it all the way back. You have an extra pin that's in here as well, okay, just in case if you break this one or whatnot. Anyways, let's go ahead and grab this right here, and I'm going to put it, now again the arrow is pointing this way, okay? So let me go ahead and pop it into that hole. Let me try to get that measurement right there. Got to look very, very closely here. Okay, that looks like it's about it. Now I'm going to go ahead and start pulling it or twisting it through here. And you can see it start coming out this side here, okay? You see it right here? So just keep twisting it till like you're all the way, and then go ahead and back out. And now we got this pin right here. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it out now. Now, you see how this pin looks here? Okay, and let me just pop this off of here. So we have, basically the pin is like this, okay? So we got the two little ends on here. So we took it out this way. Now when we put it back in, we want to put it back in this way, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put this pin right here. And I'll go ahead and grab this right here, and let me go ahead and take off another one on here. Just go ahead and line it up. See that hole right there? Let me just go ahead and get it right in there. Doesn't have to be perfectly aligned. See, mine's like a little bit crooked, but that's okay. So I know it's in there. You hear that little snap. You can see the needle coming out right there, the pin. Now I'm going to go ahead and back up. And now let me go ahead and grab this. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab this pin. I'm just going to lay it the same way, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and pull one link off of here. And now I'm going to go ahead and reattach it now. So I got one link off on this side here. So now what I'm going to do is put it back here, just like this. And now what I got to do is put the pin in just like this, but go this way, okay? So let me go ahead and grab the pin, and let's go ahead and put this in here. Let me line it up with the other one here. There we go. Okay, now we can see that we have a little tiny pin that's sticking out right here. Okay, now what you can do is, I wouldn't advise go on your desk because you'll put a hole in your desk, but you can get like a hard plastic or something, and you can go ahead and kind of like push down kind of hard. And if that doesn't do the trick, if it's still sticking out like a little tiny bit, like right there, what you can do is, what we're going to do is push it in again just a little bit using this gadget here. So just pop that on here. I'm going to line that up with that pin. Got to be very, very careful. So it's right about, this is a little bit difficult to do, but there we go. There we go. And I can't see the pin no more. And there we go. Nice and smooth. Well, you guys got the message. I got to go ahead and take two more off here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.